What's up, family? Welcome back to Run My Crypto. Make sure you guys watch this video all the way to the end. Hit that like and subscribe, guys, because we're only here to do one thing, and that's make some money. So let's make some money together, guys. Watch all the way through to the end so you can make sure you're making that paper. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Run My Crypto. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day today, guys. We're going to jump in here. We're going to talk about some three major coins that, you know, I feel that are very, very inexpensive to get into. The projects are not that expensive to get into, guys. And I think that in turn, these will be the best projects for you to get into. If you don't have a lot of money to invest in cryptocurrency, guys, I recommend these top coins that they will absolutely and positively make you some big money, guys. Ain't no playing around, ain't no joking around here, guys. I'm very serious when it comes to expressing how I feel about cryptocurrency and these projects that I talk about, guys. I'm not here to gas you up on any projects. I'm here to help you guys make some big money in crypto. So like I said, these projects will initially be very easy to get into. They're not expensive, and you can literally take, you know, $1,000, $2,000, a couple $100 even a month or a week for the next 3 months, guys, that will put you in a position to be doing good things in cryptocurrency, guys. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, guys, so you can stay up to date with Run My Crypto videos, guys. Also, this is not financial advice by no way, shape, or form. This is just some education for you guys, especially if you're new to cryptocurrency, guys, and you don't have a lot of money to invest in. That's what I'm here for, guys, to get you guys on the right track so that the next bull run, you guys will be prepared with some massive money to invest. All right, guys, let's get into this video, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, as I just mentioned, I was going to talk about some cryptocurrency projects that are going to be very easy to get into, guys. It's not going to require a lot of money to get into these projects because I'm here to help you guys. Now, I know, look, if you look at most of the projects, we look at projects like Internet Computer, Celestia, you know, Ethereum, we're talking about projects that are like at least at minimum $10, $15, $18 per token to get into. But guys, today I'm going to talk about three projects that are literally number one. The first project is sitting at 3 cents right now, 0.03 cents. The second project is sitting at 0.006, and the third is at 4 zeros and a 2, guys. So what are those projects? If you guys are Jasmy lovers, you're gonna know that the first project I'm talking about is, that's right, Jasmy coin, where you could purchase with $1, literally a little bit over 30 coins, and that'll get you, that's $1, 30 coins for this project. And this is Jasmy. Let's talk about where Jasmy can go and what Jasmy can do to make you some massive money. We're going to start with number one is Jasmy. Let's talk about it. So coming back over here, guys, this is what I was talking about. So we're barely at the bottom. We're starting to build that mountain, that pinnacle. So where Jasmy can go, guys, this is still super early, guys. This is about 3 cents right here. I believe our next step up into that ladder of that mountain is around 5 cents. If we start to zoom out a little bit, our next level to fight to get up to is going to be around the 10-cent mark. And this is what all the content creators and YouTubers are starting to talk about, is that Jasmy is going to max out at this 36 level, guys. It looks very small, guys, but we have a little bit of a climbing to go in the next 90 days, guys. So through the summertime, we're going to see Jasmy continue to climb up. Now, if we could break into this 20-cent area before we get to the end of the summer, we can expect literally for the fall season to be climbing through these levels for Jasmy, and it's going to be very beautiful because we do have an extended bull market in forecast for Jasmy. So what I would love to see, and where I believe that Jasmy can go, is that if we could reach this 20-30 cent level before we get into the fall season, that would be a very great spot for Jasmy. Now, even to get to this area before fall starts is very beautiful too. If we get to this 19-20 cent level, we could potentially see Jasmy skyrocket into this, pass through this 36-40 cent level and go into that dollar range that I believe that we're going to hit before 2025. So the potential behind Jasmy, let's talk about if Jasmy just got to that 40 cents. So with $500, now this is why I'm telling you that it is a very effective project to get into. All right, guys, so I'm going to do the math for you because, you know, I went and opened my mouth. So if we did $500 today and we bought it at 0.03, which is 3 cents, that would give us about, let me just make sure. So we did $500 at 3 cents. That would give us 16,666. Ooh, 666 nasty. Anyways, that would give us 16,666 Jasmy. And if we sold it at that 36 cents level. That would give us $6,000 in return. So imagine, guys, taking $500 and turning it into $6,000 at a minimum, guys. If we did a 32 cents or 36 cents, a minimum $500 turning into $6,000. Now, tell me, if you could put $500 on the table and turn it into $6,000, that you wouldn't do that. So that's just a bare minimum, guys. I am a believer. If you guys like and subscribe and watch my videos, I believe Jasmy is going to go to $1, $50 billion market cap and beyond. So where would our 16,666 coins, sorry guys, didn't mean to shake the camera, at $1, do the math, guys, $16,666, duh. Sometimes I feel dumb on here, but anyways, if you did $500 and you rode this to $1, you would then cash out $16,000 on a $500 investment, guys. That's why I'm saying that Jasmy is so easy to get into, because $500 you could actually save that up in no time, especially if you're very diligent with what you're doing to save your money. Let's talk about the second project, guys. The second project is Swftc. I'm a big believer, guys. Now, Rob, shout out to Crypto Future. If you're watching this video, guys, this shout out to this guy right here. He's the man with the master plan, got me into Swftc in the nick of time, guys. So I invested at that low 0.000004, 3 zeros and a 4, or 2 zeros and a 4, my bad. So I'm seeing this project Swftc doing exactly what Jasmy's doing. So let's talk about it, guys. This is very easy to get into too, guys. So let's chat about it. Swftc is essentially sitting at 0.006, guys. I believe Swftc is the same opportunity that Jasmy had provided for us, and what I mean by that is that it's really moving essentially just like Jasmy's moving. So I think that we could see this project literally go up to about 5 to 10 cents, maybe more than that, but we're gonna play it safe and we're gonna call it realistic, because this project has a market cap of $24 million, which is practically nothing. And if we see the type of money that I believe we can expect for Bitcoin to have, that could flow into this project, because the size of this community is really growing extensively daily by daily. So I could see this platform for and community for Swftc to go to something pretty massive, and we could get a lot of holders coming in for Swftc, because they're essentially making it possible for other blockchains to be able to swap out and use their platform, their blockchain, to exchange tokens. Now it's getting really good, guys, because this essentially was sitting at 0.04003, literally 001, I believe, if I pan this out. Yeah, so we had little lows of like 0.001, guys, and we're already sitting at 0.006 with 24 million on the market cap. So this has a lot of room to grow. This is extremely early, and this is a project that you could get into at a very affordable rate. So getting in now, you're still super early, guys. If you guys remember that psychology of a market cycle, guys, we're down here at the bottom and we have a lot of potential room to grow. And so we have up to about 0.07 to get to. Now, again, this project is picking up massive momentum. This thing came out in 2017. This is a native token for the Swftc network, or the Swift network, picking up a lot of community. So this thing is growing, and this is a very good position to get in, because like I said, even if we go back to 0.07, we'll use that as a marker. We're at 0.006. So let's say, let's do the math on this one. This is I could see myself investing a lot heavier into this project. So even at this point, guys, I'm really considering hopping in full force on this one. I've been contemplating on what to cash out. Maybe I'm gonna dump Render and hop into Swftc. And this is what I'm saying, like literally the 3 projects that I'm going to talk about. Obviously, number 1 is Jasmy, number 2 is Swftc. Literally, if you invested in these 3 crypto projects, I see yourself making quite a bit of money, guys. So Render, I'm in about maybe 6 or 7k, maybe a little bit less, maybe 3,000. I don't know, I gotta check the portfolio. But anyway, so I'm thinking about moving that into Swftc. Why? Because it has an extremely low market cap. Yes, it's a little more riskier, but the way I look at it, guys, is if you don't have a whole lot of money and you invest in these 3 projects, there is a lot of return on investment within these 3 projects. So I think that's major in my opinion. So if we did $500 today, there I go shaking the damn camera again, but if we did $500 today at 0.006, that would give us 83,333 Swift coins. Now Where can it go? I'm thinking it's going to reach, 6, 7, 8 cents level. And the reason being is if you go back to the charts and you look at it, we're in price discovery mode, guys. We beat the all-time high, the previous high. It's not literally the all-time high because I think it barely caught the tail end of a bull run, and those ones really don't count because when you launch during the end of a bull run, it's just like it's really not data that you can really go off of. So I think we're in price discovery. This thing could go super high, guys. There looks like there's a lot of users on the platform. The community's at 77,000 community followers on X. So I believe that that's really good. Those are good numbers for Swift Coin. So if we did the $500 today, and let's just say we did semi great, right? We're not going to say this is a great number, but I think this is a very reasonable, realistic number. If we seen it at 10 cents, $500 bought 83,333 Swift coins, and we did that at sold at 10 cents. That's $8,333. So if you had $500 going into Jasmy, we said what, 6,000 to 16,000. $500 going into Swift Coin, call it 8,000. So you're sitting at about anywhere from 8,000 plus 6 is 10, 14,000 to call it 18, 20,000 maybe, I don't know. But you're talking about $500 in one project, $500 in another project. It's buku crazy to think where why you wouldn't do these projects, because they are very, very good projects, and a lot of content creators that back Jasmy also back Swiftcoin because it's a good play to get into. We wouldn't steer you in any wrong direction. So the last one I'm gonna talk about it. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, so it's rare for me to do this, guys, but I'm trying to help out those who don't have a lot of money that are trying to get into cryptocurrency. And the last one I'm going to talk about, that's right, guys, this is a meme coin, and this is Bonk. Bonk is currently sitting at 0.00002. Now, this is a pretty special coin to me because it is a meme coin, guys, and what I find unique about this coin, if you just zoom out to the all-time high, we are on a serious uptrend, guys. This thing started at literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 1, and we currently dropped 2 zeros, guys. We can drop literally 2 to 3 zeros in this bull run. Why? Because we're sitting at a market cap of 1.8 billion, guys. We seen Shiba Inu go to some crazy heights in market cap. We're talking tens and tens of billions for Shiba Inu. Now, this actual meme coin is very great because literally there's tons and tons of room to grow. Only sitting at 93 trillion for the actual supply, but here is the icing on the cake. Circulating supply is at 67 trillion. So we already have 67 trillion in the circulating supply, which basically, there's about literally, call it what, little over almost 30,000. 30 trillion left in the circulating supply. Now, when here's the thing to understand is that, you could literally get into this very affordable, 4 zeros in a 2, $500 will get you quite a bit. I think we're looking at, up sum of like 20 million tokens or so. And we could drop, I think in my personal opinion, I think we could still drop at least like 2 zeros for sure, because we're only at a $1.8 billion market cap. If we compare it to something like Shiba Inu, where we'll take a look at SHIB. SHIB's pretty much sitting at 4 zeros in a 2 as well, with a $13 billion market cap. So adding that, that $12 billion market cap to Bonk would literally drop, I believe, I want to say a couple zeros in my opinion, So the thing is that you have an opportunity for a meme coin. So, if you look at the 3 projects that I talked about, there's a lot of opportunity to buy into these projects and make some massive money. Now, again, going back to Shiba Inu, it's going to take tons and tons of billions of dollars to even move this market cap, in comparison to Bonk. It's only going to take a couple billion to move this, price up, right? So to drop some zeros on Bonk versus to dropping zeros on Shiba Inu, there's quite a bit of money that needs to be moved on Shiba Inu. But when you look at Bonk, it really wouldn't take a whole lot to move, that market cap up and then bring those zeros out. So I can see at least dropping 2 zeros in the pinnacle of this bull run. So that's pretty impressive in my opinion, and these are, you know, the community behind Bonk is really big. So guys, if we actually put $500 into Bonk today, that would essentially put us around, as far as on the tokens, I believe it's probably going to be a big number. Let me just do the math real quick. So 500 at 0.00002, that would put us at 25 million tokens, give or take. So now if we get to that $20 billion market cap, we can drop a couple zeros on that. That would initially put us at $500, turning into essentially $50,000. So this is the type of money that you could potentially make with these projects, guys. And I'm not here blowing smoke up your ass. I'm here giving you some facts, guys, on where these can go. And these are like bare minimum, to be quite honest. This is bare minimum, guys. So if you guys are tired of bullshitting around, you really want to get in crypto, if you're not in crypto, hit me, guys, on the 10x squad, guys. Join the Patreon. There's a little cheap, it's cheap to get in. Like literally you could get in for like $5 or $6. I don't even know, the cheapest thing. And guys, I'm gonna start slamming information about my buys, what what are the best moves for you to make continuously to invest, guys. If you guys want to talk about doing day trading, I don't got the time for it. I got a dealership, that I own in a partnership, and I'm there all day long, and I do videos when I can. But basically, I'm going to start putting out much love on that 10x squad to get you guys in the right direction to make some massive money in this bull run, guys, because these next 3 months are super critical for you guys to get into cryptocurrency if you're not already invested. So I wanted to give you guys a plan to get in and make some massive money, guys. Join the 10x squad, man. If you guys want to get in contact, you could blow me up all day on a message. I have a group chat in there. Anything that you guys need to talk about, I'm there. I'll answer your questions and we'll get it going, guys. Let's make some massive money in this bull run, guys. Make sure you guys do your own research, do your due diligence. But guys, I'm here to do the research for you. So anything you got to ask about these projects, Swftc, Jasmy, and Bonk, or any other meme coins, guys. And I'm not limiting it to these 3 projects, but I'm saying that these 3 have a lot of potential to make some big gains in this bull run, guys. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe, guys. Show Run My Crypto some love. I love you guys all. Stay blessed, and I'm gonna try to keep putting these videos out daily. Love you guys. Take care.